Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. It's like morning time, almost like 11, and I'm like I wanted to make something. Yeah, my mood was like I want to make something now, like cooking making, okay, not art and craft making. So I asked my mom that is there anything that I can make? Then she's like, I have whipped cream that it's like can you like use it up. So I have seen my mom make many recipes and I have learned it from her only. So I got an idea making a recipe from whipped cream. So I hope you come along with me and let's make it together. I have one recipe with whipped cream only. It's very easy to make because I'm gonna use only two ingredients. So let's hop on. For making the recipe, I'm gonna use only chocolates and whipped cream. Okay, now let's start. The first step is to like melt the chocolates. I had these chocolates with me, so that's why I bought this. We have to melt the chocolate first. I'm gonna melt two chocolates and I bought one chocolate for the topping. Now the second step is to melt them. I'm gonna put it in the microwave and then bring it back. I put the chocolates in. I'm gonna put first for 30 seconds. The chocolate is there. My mom is making this right now. She's making the fries and of course she's gonna make the prawn. I love prawn. She's cooking this mutton also. The mutton looks so yummy. And our chocolate is done. So let's go take it. Chocolate is melted. Now let's go take it to the room. This chocolate is melted. It's too hot. But if you can see, it is perfectly melted. I can't hold it because it's too hot. I'm gonna pour the whipped cream. I'm gonna mix it. I poured the chocolate in. I'm gonna mix it. I melted some more chocolate. I want it to be more chocolatey. Now let's pour it in. I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna pour this into the glass. I poured in a little bit, if you can see. Now I'm gonna pour the whipped cream. I have filled in with the cream, if you can see. Now I have kept some aside. I'm gonna pour it in this. I filled the top with some more chocolate. I'm gonna make a swirl. I had done it, and this view, I know it's not perfect, but I tried. This is the first time, so I'm happy with the results. And I'm gonna eat it now. don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below. And I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama.